Hi, I've got a plugin in WordPress called Kraken. There's the name of it there, and it's showing up. What it's meant to do is over here a button should come up, and it's an image optimization plugin. So you basically can hit the button on each of the images, but it's not coming up in the media library. I've got this warning here, file size stat failed for the image, and it lists the PHP file on line 1028. If I go and have a look, so file, get attached file, original size equals file size. So I thought that perhaps it's something to do with the attached file, because all of these files are not attached. I used a plugin, and this image here I reattached to the Noosa page, which is the page that it's on, but it didn't help. It didn't fix the issue. That plugin, this is in staging environment 1, and I've also turned all plugins off to see if that would fix the issue, and that hasn't fixed the issue. In the plugins folder, here it is here, upgrade for unattached and reattach media attachments if you wanted to reattach the images, but as I said, that didn't work for me. Now every single image in the website, I want to basically crack, they call it. So I could tick them all and then crack them all, but it's not going to work. The following 0 images will be optimized because it can't find them. The button's not there, so I can't do that function. Once this is working, I've got 170 pages, which would be a little bit laborious to go through each one, tick and crack. So if we could run a script to essentially crack every single image that is in the media library, that would be ideal. That'll save a fair bit of work. The plugin, I believe, is capable of doing a certain amount of images at a time before it does the next lot. So it's really just a case of setting up a script to do every single file in the media library. So that's essentially the brief. If you have any questions, let me know. Great, thank you. Cheers.